Hi guys, welcome to Operation Crypto and a price update on Kusama, which is ticket KSM. As you can see, what a daily candle we are forming, bullish engulfing, it's blasting right through this area of resistance. In this video we will take a look at some key areas that we could use as a potential buying or trading spot, and then we'll look at some more levels of resistance on my way up to see where we can potentially target if we're looking to accumulate or take profit. If you are new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and let's crack on. Today's video is in partnership with Cointelegraph Markets Pro. If you are wanting to get one step ahead of the game, go ahead and check their platform out. You will find that link in the pinned comment and the description of this video. So Kusama, look at this 30% daily candle. If we just take a look, yeah, 30.75%, and BTC pairs up 29%. That is absolutely mammoth candle. We did get quite a significant rise up to here, up to $351. If you look at that from the very bottom there to that peak, we did a 144% rise. We then did a retracement in terms of Fibonacci levels. We did a pretty much a 38% retracement to a T. If I'm ever looking for investment, I always target this region here, this 0.382, which is up around 38% retracement of the entire move. We have done that rebound there, double bottom, bang, straight up. Things are looking good. Power chains are here. Kusama is looking solid. Polkadot, again, is doing a 30% rise as well. So things are looking good. If you're looking at this area here, this white line, this is a moving average 20, and we've used it as support way up. We've come down and pretty much closely tested that moving average 50, around $266, and bang, so far so good. If you're looking at this from that wick there to the top, 49% move so far from a couple of days ago, so things are looking good. Let's have a look where we can target her. I mean, we've got this red level here. I've had this marked up for a while. This was an area of resistance at $380. If you look here, it was a support, rejection, support. This wick has been hit so many times, or should I say this line. It does show that it's a key level. If we just look on the weekly time frame, yeah, so a wick there, a wick there. So that to me confirms that is a valid area of resistance. Let's have a look if there's any above first. See if we can target anything. So that looks like a level as well. If we just mark it out with a horizontal line. If you look at this rejection here and this rejection here, 2 wicks to exact same point, that's at $440. So that to me shows that is a good area of resistance. Going back to the daily, that is the next major level we need to target. So if you're looking to take some profit off the table, that is an area there to look at $440. Could be a nice area. But let's drop down into a lower time frame. So this is a 4-hour time frame. We'll analyse some potential buying. So this is the start of a move here. If we just put this in terms of Fibonacci levels, and for example, when this video comes out, when this video comes out, we may be a little bit higher, but currently this is the top here. If we're looking for buys, again, you can target this 382 level. Depends whether we stay above this level of resistance, which is now support of 380. If we drop below that, there's 2 key areas where we're going to potentially target. So there's this region here at 355, and then we also have this region here at 329. So if you're looking for some buys, ladder some orders in. So from here, 355 all the way down to maybe around 320 could be a decent area for you to pick up some Kusama. So that is where I would look at buying if we do get a pullback, because this has been a major pump, but it's, like I say, by the time this video comes out, we could be in this level of resistance at 440. If this video does go out and we are trading at 440, look at this level of resistance, which is now support for your buying. So target buys at 380, but depending how far this candle goes today, it depends where we close really. If we do close below this area of resistance, then you're going to target this region down here and these green boxes. But so far, that's a buying zones at 350 down to 328. But like I say, if we do reject off 440, then look at buys at 382. So that's your buy zones. But if this video comes out fairly quick and the price is still flying, then you're looking to take some profit off the table or accumulate. What I mean accumulate is sell at resistance to hope to buy back in to make your bags bigger. That is the first major area where I would sell at 440. I'm not going to identify any other levels above that, because if we do blast through 440, whether that's in an hour or a week or whenever, I'll jump straight into another price analysis video and I'll identify a few more key levels above. So that's your buy zones and your sell zones. So far, so good. We have tested that moving average 50. I've been saying this on a lot of my videos. September could be bearish, but it could not be bearish. And that's in terms of historical data. Over the course of the last 10 years, it has been historically a bad month for cryptocurrency in general in September. So far, going into September tomorrow, this is looking very, very bullish. But just be wary, just have a thought in the back of your head that at some point throughout the month of September, you could get a 15 to 20% red dildo from Bitcoin, which in turn would bring other alts down with it. So just be wary of that. But if you're wanting to buy in for the long term, buy in, hold on for dear life, because things are going to start to get very, very tasty soon. Just looking at the money flow. Money flow is now in the green. We had quite a bearish period for a couple of months, but money flow is back in the green, and we don't see daily candles like this too often, do we? I mean, last time we saw one like that, when was it? Maybe potentially back here when we're going towards all-time high. So this is good. Parachains are coming up, and I think it's going to be dot season very, very soon. So that's pretty much analysis what I think is happening in terms of buy zones and sell zones. Not going to go into anything more technical than that. I just want to take a look at, where's KSM on my chart here? I just want to have a look at the Vu Manchu. It's not the Vu Manchu, sorry, the Valkyrie indicator. So the Valkyrie indicator so far is saying that it's giving a sell signal there. We've blasted way above this level of resistance. So this here, this was resistance all the way down, but we've shot up now. This is my magical line of resistance at 380. But we've got a couple of RSI overbought indicators there, which is telling us that we could potentially beat him for a dip. If we do come down for a dip, then you're going to have a look at this area here as support. So that comes down to around 320, which lines up nicely with those Fibonacci levels. If you wanted to check out this indicator here, because it does give you good time to sell, if you look at this red dot here, it would have been a great sell. If we got the buy signal here, it would have been a great buy. So that is a Valkyrie indicator. You'll find the link for their Discord in the comments of this video. The Discord chat is mainly there for the trading calls. 14 traders are there, but if you have a dive into that somewhere else, you will find the indicator on there too. So that's giving us a bit of a sell signal so far, but you would expect so, as in RSI is absolutely booming at a minute. And we'll just finish off with just looking at a BTC pair. Same massive daily candle, which is looking great there. Let's have a look at some buy zones. Like I say, we'll drop into the... Can I get rid of that? Yeah, we'll drop into the 4-hour time frame because it will look a little bit easier on the eye. I'll say it's an absolute monster candle, isn't it? But if you're looking for buy zones, look at this entire move here. So that's the bottom, that's the top. If you're looking for a retracement and you're looking for some areas to buy, we've got 7,600 Satoshis, and then we've also got 6,900 Satoshis. So maybe lad a few orders within that range. So you've got that range, that range, that range. Hopefully you get a pullback and then a nice push back up. But BTC is taking a bit of a battering at a minute. If you're looking at the BTC dominance, it's taking a nosedive at minute, so that's not good. I mean, I was expecting BTC dominance to push up to here, but so far it looks like it's going to come back down. I think with the likes of Polkadot, with the likes of Solana, with the likes of Ethereum, they are all pumping at a minute. Okay, we've had a bit of a pullback already on Polkadot actually, but yeah, with the likes of all of them, they are bringing Bitcoin dominance down. So yeah, things are starting to get a little bit tasty, but like, just be wary of that potential drop, like I say, historically. So that's your buy zones there. In terms of sell zones, I don't think we've got anything above it. Oh yeah, I've got that region there. 12,300 Satoshis, I think, is the next major area. But we're miles away from that. So if you're looking for buy zones this area, you're looking for take profit around 9,300 to 10,000 Satoshis. It's probably a decent level for you to look at. That's going to do it for today's video. Not much on the BTC pair, but KSM is flying on the dollar pair. And if you're looking for buys, I would suggest looking at those regions I have mentioned. That's going to do it. If you are new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.